In this video, you'll find 11 of the most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera footage you wouldn't believe unless you see it for yourself. Number 11. The sight of people resembling zombies walking towards your house can be quite unsettling, especially when they start babbling incomprehensible nonsense on your front porch. A homeowner in Portland, Oregon experienced just that, as recorded by their doorbell camera.
My big pattern. Oh, I went out. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much. Please tell me you're awake. Please tell me you're awake. Otherwise, I'm going to think that this house might actually be mine. Please, because they stole me from the hospital. Come here. I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. Ha! 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 Hua! Ah! Hua! There! Hua! Hua! Four times! It's us! Over here! Ow, fuck, god damn it, I'll fucking hate you, that's my eyes there!
It's evident that the individual was under the influence of some sort of drug. Fortunately, the homeowner exercised sound judgment and chose not to open the door. What would you do if you saw a zombie at your front door? Number 10. In Ontario, Canada, a woman was captured on camera approaching a front door of a residence before brazenly snatching a package in broad daylight. Despite her stealthy getaway, the perpetrator was not apprehended. It's unfortunate that she managed to evade identification and capture. One can only hope that the authorities are able to locate her and bring her to justice. What would you do if you caught someone taking something off your front porch? Number 9. Disturbing footage captured in Brooklyn, New York depicts a man approaching a residence and tampering with the doorknob in an apparent attempt to break in. The perpetrator is shown struggling to gain entry, but his efforts prove to be futile. The homeowner, who is monitoring the situation through a microphone, confronts the man and inquires about his intentions.
Hello? Can I help you? Hello?
No. Got a package here, though.
Can I help you? Who
Got
are
a package here, baby.
you? Can you leave it there?
Yeah, come get it.
Yeah. Thank you. Coming down. Rodney, go get the package.
Okay, take it.
It's on my suit. Rodney. Yeah, bring Shiloh too. I'm about to try to... Rodney, yeah, he's trying to take the package, Rodney.
The man claims to have a package for the homeowner before nonchalantly walking away as though nothing had occurred. Looks like this thief has been doing this for quite some time. Number 8. In a video captured in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, a black truck is seen recklessly speeding down the street before colliding head-on with a mailbox, causing it to shatter into numerous pieces. The driver does not stop to take responsibility for the damage or leave a note, instead opting to flee the scene and continue on with their day. I guess driving is hard for some people. Number 7. In a distressing incident, a woman returning home, possibly from a night out with friends, was ambushed by a group of armed men on her front porch around 10 p.m.
Don't move. Okay. Go ahead.
Your key.
Here. Here. Okay. What happened?
Upon reaching the safety of her home, the traumatized woman immediately informed a family member to contact the police without delay. Number 6. The following footage from Brooklyn, New York serves as a reminder to always secure your windows, regardless of the time of day. A man is captured on video wearing a dark jacket and skulking around the perimeter of a residence. He proceeds to check each window, and although they all seem to be securely locked, one window is found to be unlocked. The perpetrator seizes the opportunity and crawls through the open window, gaining access to the inside of the house before the video concludes. Do you leave your windows unlocked? Number 5. A doorbell camera recording from a Wisconsin home captures an elderly woman strolling up to the front of the residence and pilfering a few welcome signs and Halloween decorations, all while being oblivious to the fact that she's being recorded. The incriminating footage could potentially land her in trouble. Number 4. This video from Oakland, California depicts a masked man lingering outside an office building, appearing to contemplate breaking in. Despite his face being covered by the mask, his identity becomes fully discernible when he turns around. The perpetrator carries a flashlight and various tools, and tries to heat up an object in an attempt to melt through it. His plans prove to be unsuccessful, and he ultimately decides to abandon the mission and depart. What do you think he was trying to melt? Number 3. This footage was captured in Brooklyn, New York, and depicts a brazen theft in broad daylight on a bustling city street.
Mystique! Vamos!
The clip shows a man confidently approaching the front door of a property and quickly making off with the resident's Ring doorbell camera without encountering any resistance. The thief's remarkable ease of operation is evident, and he swiftly flees the scene, seemingly without being caught. I wonder what he wanted with the doorbell camera. Number 2. In this video, a woman can be seen riding her bicycle up to a residence where she brazenly snatches a package from the front porch with no regard for the homeowner's property. Later on, the same woman is caught on camera stealing another package from the same location under the cover of darkness before making her getaway. Despite her repeated acts of theft, the woman manages to evade capture and ride off into the night without consequence. I think I would set up some sort of trap to catch the woman if this happened to me. How about you? Before we get to number 1, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like this one. Number 1. The following incident occurred in Bakersfield, California, and involved a cunning scheme to lure the unsuspecting victim. The video captures the moment when a woman is sent to the front door of a residence as a decoy, prompting the resident to open up when he sees her alone through the peephole. However, the ploy quickly turns sinister when 2 armed men, one wielding a 12-gauge shotgun and the other a revolver, barge into the house with force. The victim is left to face the terrifying consequences of falling prey to the trap. Continue being scared by cuddling up and watching more of our videos.